Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can add new payment by credit line on Bharatpe app. For that, just open the Bharatpe app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the profile option on the top left corner, and in here we just need to go to the Bharatpe UPI settings option. So when we reach to this section, we just need to go to the payment methods option, and we can see the add new payment option on the top. Just tap on the add new payment option, and in here we can just see the credit lane option on the right side of the bank option. Just tap on the credit lane option. So just choose whatever bank that you need to do the UPI credit lane option. So this is how we're gonna add new payment by the this is how we're gonna add new payment by credit lane option on Bharatpe app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.